Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Guess what? Today we have February's Glossybox and I can't wait to get in here and see what we've got on the inside, but I have to tell you, I am smitten kitten over this box. This makes me want to go so much in your... And I don't know why. It's not a boombox. It's a cassette, but something about it, you may have to be older to get that reference, but something about it just makes me think about that. Look, they even did the back and the top. How cute is that? Okay, the box is cute. Let's get in here and see what we've got on the inside. This is the February box. I will put a link below that will get you $5 off your first box. It is a $21 per month beauty box. If you get it month to month, you can extend the time, which brings the price down about $1 per month. And with your first box, you will get that $5 off. This box is gifted to me free for my honest review. So let's get in here and honestly review it. So when we take the top off and start undoing it, we have Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat. That is so cute. So that is our paperwork. Oh, and the inside, look, down to the paper. I hope you guys can tell, look, it's headphones. So well curated. All right, let's see what products take us to Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat. When I take the paper back, this is what we can see on the inside. Now, this little pamphlet that we have, that's our February pamphlet, will tell us everything we need to know on the inside, don't you? Okay. Right on top, we have the Pearl, I'm going to guess it's a face mask, but time for glasses, Pearl Brightening Sleep Mask. And that is what that looks like. It is really, I know it's hard for you guys to read. It's really hard to read in person too. It's light on light, and that's really hard, but let's see what the book says. The pamphlet tells us that this is full-sized. Lapco's Pearl Sleeping Cream Spout. Featuring a convenient spout, this 2-in-1 formula brightens, tones, and exfoliates your skin overnight for a smooth, even complexion in the morning. Tip: apply evenly across the face as the last step of your nighttime skincare routine. $6 value. Well, let's go ahead and open this up and see what the texture of it. You know, sleeping masks, if they're too thick or too greasy, they can be hard to sleep in. So let's see how we like this one. All right, I put just a little pea-sized amount on the back of my hand. It's just a kind of, it's almost a cross between a gel and a cream. Very lightly scented. I would say probably citrusy. It's absorbing really nicely. This is, I don't believe this is gonna leave my hand greasy at all. It is absorbing so nicely. It's just, it's gone. That is really nice. Reaching in next, we have two of what seems to be the same thing, so I'm getting a shampoo and conditioner. It is Natura Ecos PANTYPOWER. This is the strengthening shampoo, and this is the strengthening conditioner. My hair can use all the strengthening it can get, although it's making it a little flat, just a little bit. But I have been using Olaplex 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I think that it's helping some with my breakage and that kind of thing. So I'm gonna keep using it, although it does leave my hair a little way down because I have really fine limp hair. Anyway, back to these. I'll try these too. Like I said, I'll try anything that says that it's strengthening. And these are 1 ounce each. Let's take them out and see what they smell like. These are super cute little bottles. They look like little full-size bottles, but only miniatures, kind of like, don't drink the shampoo. Let's see what the paperwork says. These are Deluxe Minis by Natura PANTYPOWER Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. This rich repairing shampoo and conditioner is formulated with PANTYPOWER oil from Brazil to strengthen, protect, and treat dry, damaged, unruly hair. This is the Deluxe Mini, and it has a value of $8. If it was the full-size set, it would have a value of $47. All right, let's see what this smells like. Oh, it's very nice, very clean, slightly herbal. Yeah, I would absolutely use this. That's the only thing that can definitely turn me off of a shampoo or conditioner. If I don't think that it's a scent that I can live with in my hair throughout the day, I just, nope, won't even give it a shot. I can absolutely live with this. Smells good. I love getting little trial size things like these because these are great to take, like if you go on vacation, like a long weekend. Let's all wistfully look off into the atmosphere and dream of all the long weekends to come. Okay, bring it back in. And if you want, after you've used them for that, you can refill them with yours. So I sometimes keep things that are this sized once they're used so that I can just refill them with what I'm using and take little bottles. Just an idea. Reaching in next, I have the Cis Superfood, or SYS. There are a lot of things in here I am not familiar with today. For your skin, and it is a moisturizing cream with prickly pear and probiotic, 0.67 fluid ounces. That is what the box looks like. Let's see what the tube looks like. I'm assuming tube. Indeed. Oh, it's pretty. It's just a nice black tube with some purple on it. It's kind of classic looking. I like that. All right, the paperwork says SYS Deluxe Mini Moisturizing Cream. Prickly pear extract in this cream is the perfect addition to your daily skincare regimen. It'll leave your skin feeling smooth and super hydrated. MSRP for this Deluxe Mini, which is 20 ml, is $19.99, and if it were full size, it would be 50 ml for $39.99. All right, well, I checked out the ingredients when I took it out of the box, and I can use it. So you know what? Let's do it on this hand, because that hand has that nice sleeping mask on it. That's what it looks like. It's just like a nice white lotion. It's not too creamy. It's not too wet. Very lightly scented. Again, I love that so many items are going back to not being overly scented. You know, when you have sensitive skin, overly scented can be a problem. Wow, I was gone from that for so long that my hand almost absorbed all of it already. Yes, it is a very light scent. It is also kind of citrus based. It also gives me the slight scent of like Pez, but I like that, so I'm not complaining. Yeah, it smells really nice, and my hand looks lovely. Actually, both of my hands are looking so much better now that life is kind of getting back to normal, and I'm not hand washing in the hundreds of times a day. My hands are finally returning to normal. All right, reaching in next, we have the Bellapierre. I have it in Wow, whatever it is. Let's check out the paperwork. It does not tell me on it what it is. It just says Bellapierre. And then, wow, it's purple. I know that. That's kind of fun. Bellapierre, this is full-sized. Bellapierre, full-sized. Well, I guess if it's an eyeshadow or something, let's see. Shimmer powder, and you could get it in Wow, Coral Reef, or Reddish. Illuminate your best feature with this long-lasting, vibrant powder without smears, creases, or fading. Perfect for eyeshadow, highlighter, lip color, and more. It has a $15 value. Well, let's play with this. All right, that is what it looks like. I hope you guys get, oh, it's starting to fall. See the purple of it? I'm just gonna take the little bit that came out when I tilted it, and that is it on my finger. Oh wow, when I swatch it on my hand, which is nicely and newly hydrated, that is so, I hope you guys can get that purple. That is so pretty. I don't think I can use that as a highlighter, but it would be a gorgeous eyeshadow. I do kind of want to put some on my face though. What the heck? I'm only making the first of like 4 videos. If in the next few videos I'm shining an awkward purple, remember this moment. Let's put some right there. We need more. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can see it. It's actually, for a purple, not as bad as I anticipated it being. I mean, I had on highlighter to begin with. I have on Hourglass. I love the Hourglass powders. But that's kind of purpley and fun. I got going back to matching my room. Okay, that's a little fun. I just wiped this off the back of my hand, and just in case the full purple wasn't coming out on the back of my hand or you can't see it on my cheek, can you see it better on this white? That is what I just wiped off the back of my hand. So it is truly purple. Okay, last but not least, I have, it looks like a lip thing from Avon. Yes, Hyaluronic Argan Oil, Peony Sweet Almond Oil, Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. I liked all of those words. I even liked the rose word. I know rose is divisive. Let me know below. Pro rose, con rose. I'm pro rose. I mean, unless it's a really, really overly fragranced fake kind of rose. But generally speaking, pro rose. That is what that looks like. Let's read about it, and then we'll put some on the back of my hand and see what it feels like. Avant Skincare, full-sized, Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Buff away dead skin cells to reveal soft, fresh, and youthful lips with this sugar scrub. Filled with anti-inflammatory ingredients and antioxidants, perfect for creating a smooth canvas for your lipstick. MSRP, $71. Crackers and cheese. That is expensive. No. Hold on, I'll string more words together and make it make more sense. I cannot imagine what this could possibly do to my lips, for my lips, that would ever make me go back and spend $71 on a lip scrub. I mean, it would, and it's just a regular squeeze. Actually, it's probably easier to see without my hand. It's just a regular squeezy top. It's kind of wet. It's not as firm as you expect it to be. I'm just gonna put a little bit, see how I can just squeeze it out? I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. I can see that there's little bits in it. Let's see what it feels like and smells like. $71 for a lip scrub. Would you ever? Let me know that below too. Would you ever? What could a lip scrub do? I mean, eye creams, lip creams, I get it. They could really, but what could a lip scrub do? I'll quit now. Smells very nice. I can feel the grit in it, the little bit of sugar. It's not overly gritty. I have some, like I have an NCLA pot and I have some Dirty Lamb rocks. A lot of them, even the Jeffree Star, they're mostly grit with just a little bit of goo. This is mostly goo. They would probably like me to use a much nicer word. This is mostly carrier and less grit, while most of them are usually mostly grit and less carrier. I don't know if you can see any of the bits in that, but it's just not overly crunchy. It smells very nice. It's just very light, kind of sweet, just slightly sweet. All right, that is our Glossybox for February 2021. It is a $21 box, but if you sign up with my link below, you can get it for $16. You get $5 off your first box. Even as a $21 box, we got, let's start with the big thing. We got a nice Avon lip scrub that, you guys, I can't even imagine how great my lips are gonna look when we come on here next time. $71. We got the Cis Moisturizing Cream, and it is a deluxe mini, but it still has a $20 value. So just in these two, we're at $91. The Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner that we can travel with or just try if you want. You don't have to go anywhere to use them. $8, so that brings us up to $99. The Bellapierre Shimmer Powder that I got in Wow, which is a really cool purple, that had a $15 value, so that brings us up to $114. It's like I'm a math wizard. Are you noticing? And last but not least, we have the LUXSB Pearl Sleeping Cream, and that has a $6 value, which brings us up to an even $120. So even if you paid full price for it, $21, you got $120 worth of value. I really enjoy Glossybox. I find that for some reason, the products that they tend to put in for your face tend to be less irritating than a lot of the ones that we get in the American boxes. This is a box with a lot of like UK brands in it, and for some reason, my face just seems to not respond as sensitively to it. Thank you so much for coming by today, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon, and have a safe day out there, guys.